This 2004 Dodge Grand Caravan is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Conversion handicap van. Vantage mobility conversion. Wheelchair accessibility. Power side floor ramp. Low miles 105K. Removable driver and passenger seat. Passenger side lowers down for easy enter. Floor tie downs. One button power ramp operation. Handicap van. Extended. Auto transmission. V6 engine. Runs and drives like new. Good rubber. Cold AC. Power doors and windows. Rear AC. We beat everyone in AMP number 39's prices. Must see IP, call now or text 330-475-4817 for more picks and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals for less. Wheelchair vans: Dodge Handicap Grand Caravan, Town and AMP Country Handicap Van, Honda Odyssey Handicap Van, Toyota Sienna Handicap Bronability, Vantage Mobility, BEAUN Entervan, Mobility Works. When we say best, we mean it. Visit us at onlineautowarehous.com.